Welcome to the very first devlog for Prisma, a 3D pixel art monster collection RPG. Say that 5 times fast. My name is Garrett and I'm extremely excited to share this project with you. I've always loved monster collecting games. One of my very first games was Pokemon Red, and I even loved shows like Digimon growing up. So the idea of having a bunch of awesome animal companions to adventure around with was always very exciting to me. And I've always wanted to make video games, so since the world kind of decided to be a dumpster fire last year, I decided to make the best of it and finally pursue my dream of being a game developer. I've been working for about 2 months on this game so far, so let's take a quick look at what I've got going. First of all, I wanted to talk about the art style. In my past game dev adventures and experiments, I've messed with both 2D and 3D art styles, and I really liked how things move and interact in 3D space, but I absolutely love pixel art. So I thought I'd try to do both. Most of the characters and creatures are normal 2D sprites put onto a plane in 3D space, and some of the objects are like that as well, but the terrain and the buildings are 3D objects with pixel art textures applied to them. I do all the pixel art in Aseprite and the 3D work in Blender, then I put it all together in Unity using the URP pipeline. I might talk more about the art style in the future. But as for the actual gameplay, it's a traditional JRPG style game where these creatures called Prisma are your party members. Basically, it's a mix of Pokemon and old Final Fantasy games. So this is the overworld where you can walk around and interact with objects and other people in the world. Then I also have a battle scene where you will be fighting and capturing other Prisma. I have most of the essential functionality implemented. Each Prisma has its own stat card. You can complete a full battle whether you win, lose, or run. You can swap out Prisma in your party, gain XP, and even level up. So the basics are there, but a lot of the systems I have yet to tackle, like capturing, using items, some of the more advanced attacks, etc. So there's still a lot of work to do, but making a game like this has been my dream since I was 10. So like I said, I'm super excited to finally be doing it, and I'm really excited to be able to share my dream game with you guys and get your input as it progresses. My first goal was just to get all of the basics of the game working, then expand from there. So what you've seen in this video is pretty much all I have so far. I have this one very tiny town with mostly empty buildings and a small wilderness area with water, grass, and trees. Also, I currently have about 6 Prisma in the game, and I obviously want way more than that. So let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm really interested to see what people think. Also, constructive criticism is more than welcome. I'm still incredibly new to both game development and pixel art, so if you see anything I can improve, let me know. Well, this is my first devlog for Prisma. In the next one, I think we're going to make our road and building systems a little more modular than they are now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.